Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the hot plate on a Rangemaster cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the hot plate stops working or no longer heats up, then it's likely the hot plate will need replacing. Start by removing the vent at the back. Take the screws out of the vent and remove it. To remove this top panel, we will take out the two screws holding it on at the back of the cooker. Slide the top forward to release before resting the top safely. Lift up the panel and take a photo of the electrical connections to the hot plate. Unclip the wiring . There is a bar here that has to be removed to release the hot plate. Undo the nut that holds the earth connections and then the nut that holds the bar. Refit the new hot plate. Locate the bar back into position and reconnect the holding nut. Then refit the earth connections and the second nut. Using the photo taken earlier, refit the connections. Put the screws back into the panel before refitting the vent. And there we have it, one hot plate replaced on a Rangemaster cooker. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.